Are you dealing with poor weld consistency, sensor component damage, or slow production times? The TATE PT100 welding machine is designed to solve these issues. Ensuring precise and reliable welding for PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, and thermocouples. Our machine offers superior heat control throughout the welding process, preventing overheating and underheating, which are common causes of defects in temperature sensors. Whether you're working with sensitive PT100 sensors or heavy-duty thermocouples, the TATE PT100 guarantees flawless welds and enhances overall sensor performance. With its user-friendly interface and advanced monitoring system, this machine drastically reduces your production time while maintaining consistent, high-quality results. As the direct manufacturer, we ensure the highest quality and exceptional customer support. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more details, email info@oaktate.com.